name is Coco. I'm co-chair of the Lynn Cultural Council, but I'm also commissioner of the Massachusetts Commission on LGBT Youth, and I'm from Lynn. So welcome to the Lynn Flag Pride Raising ceremony, and it's an honor that Mayor McGee is here and approved and be with us for North Shore Pride. So let's give Mayor McGee a round of applause.
Thank you very much, and I'm happy to be here with all of you, and I have a proclamation that I'd like to read from the City of Lynn. Whereas the month of June is designated as LGBTQ Pride Month, and it commemorates the Stonewall Rebellion that occurred during a weekend in June 1969 in New York City, which started the modern lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer civil rights movement. And whereas LGBTQ Pride is defined as the positive stance against discrimination and violence toward lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer people to promote their self-affirmation, dignity, and equal rights. And whereas cities around the world during LGBTQ Pride Month celebrate victories that have affirmed freedom and fairness, and whereas individually and collectively, members of the City of Lynn's LGBTQ community contribute greatly to neighborhood revitalization, economic vitality, arts and culture, and the social fabric of our city, state, and country. Now therefore, I, Thomas M. McGee, Mayor of the City of Lynn, hereby proclaim June 2018 to be LGBTQ Pride Month, and urge all citizens of the City of Lynn to take cognizance of this event and participate fittingly in its observance. And I'm honored to sign Mayor Thomas M. McGee. Glad to be here, and a great day.
So thank you everybody for coming, and first of all I want to reach out to Michael Cole, who put this together for me through emails and texting back and forth, driving each other crazy, trying to get a date, but we got one, and here we are today. And Saturday in Salem is our Gay Pride Parade, so if you're here in Lynn, come to Salem, 12 o'clock. But thank you very much. This really means a lot to me for the fact that Mayor Tom McGee, it's his first year with us as the mayor for City of Lynn, and I think it's a very good start off for him with the community itself. It says a lot. I mean, forget about the adults. The message I'm delivering is for the kids and the seniors. So let's raise the flag.